Hello, I am Dr. Pablo Baltodano, plastic surgeon here at Plastic Surgery HD and Balto Plastic Surgery. It is a pleasure to greet you. Today, I would like to introduce myself and also talk about our corporation and the services that we offer. I was born and raised in a small town in Costa Rica. When I completed my medical school studies, I came to the United States and completed 2 years of clinical outcomes research in breast reconstruction and other plastic surgery procedures at the prestigious Johns Hopkins Hospital under the guidance of Dr. Getch Rosen, one of my mentors and dear friends. From there, I was accepted into the general surgery program at Johns Hopkins Hospital, where I completed my surgical internship. After having completed the internship, I moved to upstate New York, where in Albany Medical Center, I completed my integrated plastic surgery training. I had the opportunity of learning from outstanding plastic surgeons in that region, who I deeply admire and honor and respect. Along with my colleagues, we were able to learn from them all of the skills that have made us the plastic surgeons that we are today. After completing my residency training at Johns Hopkins and Albany Medical Center, I moved to Philadelphia, Temple University, and Fox Chase Cancer Center, where I learned the principles of reconstructive microsurgery from Dr. Samir Patel and Dr. Shuya Shafkat and Dr. Neil Topham, 3 great microsurgeons who I deeply admire and honor as well. After completing that, I moved to Miami, and that's when I started my private practice here in Miami. We have 2 practices here in Miami, Balto Plastic Surgery and Plastic Surgery HD. Here at our locations, we have outstanding personnel that is ready to help you with any needs that you may have. We have a location in downtown Miami, and we have another location in Pembroke Pines. We offer the whole spectrum of cosmetic plastic surgery procedures, including hair restoration, forehead shortening procedures, eyebrow lifts, upper blepharoplasty, lower blepharoplasties, rhinoplasties, lip lift, facial fat grafting procedures, face lifts, neck lifts, deep neck lifts, autoplasties, the whole spectrum of injectables, and minimal invasive procedures for facial rejuvenation as well. Of those procedures, my favorite one is rhinoplasty, or nose jobs. I had the opportunity of learning firsthand from one of the experts in rhinoplasty, Dr. Rod Rorick, who I went to observe multiple times at his facility in Texas. And just by watching him operate, I learned so much. I'm extremely grateful to him and the Dallas Plastic Surgery Institute, where I was able to observe him and learn from him. I am now implementing a lot of the concepts and tips and tricks that I learned from him, and that has made rhinoplasty my favorite procedure. That is my favorite surgery of all. In addition to all of the facial cosmetic procedures, we do a lot of body contouring procedures as well. We specialize in breast augmentation, breast lifts and augmentation, also known as augmentation mastopexies, breast reductions. We also use something called Galaflex or P4HB, which is polyfluorohydroxybutyrate mesh, which is a special type of mesh that is used to provide additional soft tissue support to the breasts after doing either a breast lift or a breast reduction or an augmentation mastopexy. That mesh pretty much is used as if it were an internal bra, so to speak, to provide additional support to the breasts. In addition, we do high definition abdominal liposculpture, which is another very, very interesting procedure that we do all the time at our institution. It's one of my favorites as well. I will say it's my second favorite. During that procedure, we perform liposuction of the superficial and deep fatty layers of your abdomen, depending on which lines from your abdomen we want to etch or define. That's what guides our liposuction and the planes in which we perform the liposuction. Additionally, we supplement our liposuction procedures with the use of J-plasma. J-plasma is a technology that has been produced by Renuvion, and what it entails is the use of radio frequency to transform a gas that's called helium into plasma energy. The plasma energy heats up the collagen fibers that arise from the muscle and insert on Scarpa's layer and also insert on the dermis of your skin. And by tightening those fibers of the superficial fascial system and all those collagen and elastin fibers, we are able to help the skin to retract and stick more to the underlying muscle. So that's one of the main uses of the J-plasma technology. Promote skin retraction and adherence to the underlying muscle. We have that technology available in our locations as well for both of our clinics, Plastic Surgery HD and Baltoplastic Surgery. In addition, at our locations, we perform fat transfer procedures or gluteal fat grafting. When we perform that procedure, we do liposuction of some regions in your body. It could be the abdomen, the sides of your trunk, your back, arms, thighs, and all that fat that we retrieve, we then purify and transfer it to your booty. By inserting that fat in your buttocks, we're able to give you a very nice hourglass shape, increase the volume of your buttocks, give you a rounder hip, and give you more projection of your buttocks. That is a procedure that we